What's the meaning of case law? Case law. Case law.
Case law. Case law. Case law refers to the body of legal decisions made by judges in various courts across the country. These decisions become part of the law and are binding on lower courts with similar cases. In other words, case law establishes legal principles and precedents that help guide future decisions. The result is a system where legal disputes are often resolved by reference to previous cases, and where the interpretations of those cases can have a significant impact on the outcome of current and future cases.